The human body is comprised of cells that number in the trillions. And these cells are constantly subjected to physical and emotional stressors found in today's lifestyles, which creates a negative environment for cells to thrive. These types of stressors simply disallow the body to heal and rebuild, which is one of the primary causes of premature aging. Furthermore, healthy cells are directly proportional to a healthy body. When the body becomes stressed, cells become dysfunctional and many types of issues can arise, stemming from fatigue to serious illness. This is why we have formulated our anti-aging telomere support supplement called CELLMetrix. CELLMetrix is a synergistic herbal support supplement formulated to stimulate your cells, including stem cells, at the molecular level. Our CELLMetrix formulation is comprised of pharmaceutical-grade components which are backed by a successful clinical field trial and multiple genetic studies on both animals and humans. As mentioned earlier, the adult human body has trillions of cells that are dividing constantly. Here is an example of one of those cells. Look to the left of this video. You will see an illustration of a human cell. Inside each cell, you will find a nucleus. And within each nucleus, there are 23 sets of chromosomes. In order for a cell to reproduce, it needs to fully copy the DNA wrapped within the chromosome. Now, notice the telomere residing at the end of the chromosome. It is the telomeres that help fill in any bits of information the DNA may be missing when the cell reproduces. Think of a telomere as the tip at the end of a shoelace. When that tip is frayed or missing, the shoelace will not function properly. This is an important note. Look at the bottom right-hand corner of this video. You can see how the telomeres shorten each time a cell divides and acts as a clock that signals the cell to age. Eventually, telomeres become so short the DNA is unprotected and the cells stop functioning and die. I have just described how a cell ages. I hope you can now better understand aging in general. So, since telomere length declines as we age, it is imperative to keep them as healthy as possible. We do not want them to shorten prematurely. How do we support telomeres within cells? We nourish their microenvironments. Look at this illustration of a chromosome strand. You can see how the enzyme telomerase surrounds the chromosome where the telomeres reside. Telomerase is a reverse transcriptase enzyme that carries its own RNA molecule residing in these all-important microenvironments. In other words, telomerase helps in the preservation of telomere length. So once again, by nourishing these microenvironments around the telomeres, cells will be more capable to divide into new healthy cells in a more efficient manner. This may sound complicated to some, but simply said, cells are the building blocks of life. When your cells work better, you work better. The ingredients found within CELLMetrix have been shown to work by supporting cellular microenvironments which help to nourish telomeres and protect DNA. The ingredients found within CELLMetrix also helps to assist longevity genetic pathways to support cells, stem cells, and stem cell niches. Please read more on our website to learn how CELLMetrix can supply nutrients for telomeres to assist the DNA within the cell to replicate more effectively. We believe our formula supplies premium anti-aging technology that is an essential tool for optimal wellness in the 21st century.